Hello, this is my screencast for the second exercise for the infotechnology course. I wasn't entirely sure what kind of information to put in here. I know I could have just used the old information, but I wanted to do something else for fun. So I put this poem in, and I thought I could read it for the screencast. Lullaby for the Cat by Elizabeth Bishop. Minnow, go to sleep and dream. Close your great big eyes. Round your bed, events prepare the pleasant surprise. Darling Minnow, drop that frown. Just cooperate. Not a kitten shall be drowned in the Marxist state. Joy and love will both be yours. Minnow, don't be glum. Happy days are coming soon. Sleep and let them come. This is an open source poem I found online to use for the placeholder text.